Just massage the ends and stuff, because the ends be dry and it's almost fall. But I found that weird time.
Oh, you found it? Where on the shelf?
No, I knew it was water ship.
So it was what?
Let me start walking or something.
Yeah. It's fall. Budge, good job. Good job, bud. You sit still like a big boy and get him hair done, man. Good job. Grammy's so proud of him. So he can look so handsome. Go bye-byes to the park. You look nice and handsome when he go bye-bye, right, man? Good job. Let the baby hair look nice and combed and handsome and groomed like a young man. So you can go bye-byes, right? Yes. Give me a spongy bun. Rubber band, spongy, whatever you can find. I'll take it. Preferably black. Mommy brush your hair out, right? Brush it out real good. Yes, thank you.
What's up, man?
Good job, Brian Jamie. Very good. Turn around this way. Let me see. I'm sorry. Okay. I just wanted to brush it, okay?
You ready to do everything to make him time. Whether he want to or not, you know for a fact that make him time.
Exactly. He'll say it too. SLEEP. Haley.
So you pamper me. Yeah, we'll get that oil.
Okay, let me see. Turn to the side. Let me see. Good job, Grammington. Turn. Oh, yes. There you go. I think I'm going to braid it. I'm going to braid it, yeah. Put it in the braid. I'm a little man. Good job, man. Thank you. There you go. All set. Mwah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yep. Go get your shoes. Where's your sneakers? Where's your new sneakers mom just got you? In the hallway? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday, Manic Monday. I'm on my way to the park. I'm a little grandbaby. Oh, you want to wear your little flip-flops? I want to wear your other. I want to rather you wear your other sneakers. Well, you can wear those. But I think those, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll try those and then you might just put on your sneakers. Yeah, guys, happy Monday to everybody. And thank you so much for joining my crazy big black family on YouTube. Come here, let me put your shoes on. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this vlog. Guys, I am on my way, like I said, taking my grandbabies to the park. I gotta wake my other grandbaby up because I don't know, she's still upstairs. And I don't want to miss her, let her miss out. I want her to ride her scooter at the park and get a last little couple of days of this summer because it's supposed to be really nice summer weather. So might as well let them get out and enjoy it while they can before it gets too cool out. No, not. Oh, good job, weatherman. You're a good weatherman. No, it's actually sunny out today, darling. Yes, it's sunny. It's gonna be sunny today. Yes, and sunny, raining and sunny. Yeah. Oh, it's definitely gonna be sunny. I don't know if it's gonna be raining. And I'm gonna get out myself and enjoy some of this weather. I want to thank everybody that recently joined, subscribed to this channel. Thank you. We appreciate it. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Honestly, I really don't even care how much subscribers I have. I'm just thankful for how many subscribers I have, but we are close to 1K subscribers. So thank you for all those newly subscribers and everybody that ever subscribed to this channel. And please don't forget to share this vlog so that somebody else can jump on board and subscribe to this channel as well. Like I said, this is a Monday morning vlog. I'm off to, like I said, get ready to go out and get some fresh air and let the kids get out to the park while it's still a little eeny beany bit of summer left. Because up here up north in Mass, we are about to get cold, but this is supposed to be warm this week, so I'm going to embrace it and let the kids get out there and embrace it too. For those people whose kids who went back to school already, I know you're like, yes, because my daughter went back to school the other day. They had 2 days in and 2 days off Friday and today, and they went in, what was it, 3 days in? Yeah, I think they started last Tuesday. So they'll be going back, needless to say, tomorrow. I know some people may have not started school yet, but my kids started. I know a lot of people down south, their kids been started. So, yeah, that's a little load off the mom's life. So I got a little rest for 6 hours because other folks get paid for 6 hours to educate. So for those 6 hours, I get a break to be able to work at home and do what I have to do. And my little odds and ends and chores and errands and things like that I have to do. But today is going to be kind of a down day because it's a holiday today. So I was checking out my website today, so I was doing that. I actually was designing some new merchandise for my website and for my business. That's what I was doing this morning. And also checking the analytics on all of our YouTube channels. So I could see how we doing on here. Checking my grandbabies too, because they literally at this point they're gonna be monetized before us, before our big channel, which is my Crazy Big Black Family. This channel you're watching right now, but my grandkids channel at Brooke and Brian on YouTube is up and running and off the hook with viraling off of a video that I recorded, I believe it was July 20th, this past July 20th, last month. So it's been up about a good month and it's doing extremely well. At this point it is at, I think it was, last time I checked, I think like about 400, almost, oh yeah, 500K views, 500K plus views and running. It's averaging at least between 29,000 to up to, it has went up to 60,000 views every night. And right now it's averaging in about almost 30,000 views a night. So, I mean, every 2 days, about 700 to 1,000 views every night. And I think that's not bad. So, Thanks everybody who whose children watched that video or who shared that video, because that video is still viral, and I'm so proud of that video. I'm so proud of my grandbabies at Brooke and Brian. So if you're looking for a nice kids channel, go get subscribed to at Brooke and Brian on YouTube. But this channel right here is My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. And you can check down on our other channels. We have several other channels on this platform, guys. So go give us a subscribe on all those channels and show the love and support, guys. And thank you for joining me on this Monday edition of My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube, guys. Happy Monday. Have a nice day today. If I don't see you again today, which is highly unlikely, have an amazing Monday. Stay strong today. Keep your head up and don't sweat the little things.